Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Martin with you. Today I am going to teach you a special tutorial, Coffin dance. This one is 4/4 time signature and F sharp minor scale. I will teach you how to play Coffin dance on violin. Okay, here we go. Okay, before you starting, I will teach you how to play F sharp minor. Okay, F sharp minor start from the D string, second finger, F note. Okay, F sharp, G sharp, G sharp is little far from the F. Then open A, B, C sharp, D, open E, F. This is the F sharp minor. There is 3 sharp, F sharp, C sharp and G sharp. Okay, I will teach you first line. Here F, F, C, B, A. First bar is F, F, C, B, A. F is crotchet and FC is quiver. BA, 2 crotchets. G, 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 B, A, G. F, F, A, G, A, G, A, F. Like this. Here, F, F, A, G, A, G, A. In E string, G, A. G is sharp note, don't forget. Once again, I will start from the beginning. The last section there is a little crossing, that's why play carefully. Okay, it's repeating 2 times. Then second time, the same thing repeating. Then after that, here A, C, 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 C. There is quiver notes. A, C, 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 C. There is C sharp. B, 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 B. Open E. F, 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 F. There is one bar full F sharp coming. Then another last bar is F, 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 B, A, G. Like this. Once again, I will start from the second section. I will show you once again from beginning. I hope you all enjoy my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and share to your friends. Don't forget to like and comment. Okay, one more thing, I will upload my videos every Sunday, Indian time 5 o'clock. Sunday 5 o'clock. That's why Don't forget to watch my video. If you have any doubt, you have any question, please WhatsApp me. I will reply you very soon. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. See you soon.